Hey guys, this is Alan with Pibbs Palace, and today I'm going to be reviewing this free game on Steam called Professional Fishing. It seems like the net function is not working, so I won't be able to keep any fish that I catch here today. I got my friend Aaron, also with Pibbs Palace, on the mic, and our other friend Alec, which is holding down his push to talk button. Let's try to catch another fish. Any minute now. There it is. We got one. Now all we have to do is just reel it in. This one is a tough one. It's a big fish, I can tell. We caught it. It tells you how much the fish weighs. 54.54 kilograms. That must be big. But I prefer pounds. So, the next thing you want to do is throw the fish on the floor and then pick it back up again. Once you do that, you want to make sure you rehook your line, and then you can see the first of many bugs in this game. I have 3 arms. That doesn't seem right. We're gonna let this guy go since I don't have a net. There he goes. I think he'll be alright. What do you think? There's a lot of other features in this game, like a 4-wheeler, which you can't get in the free version until you have enough money. There's also levels in the game. I'm level 1. There's just so much to do. There's different kinds of fish and players from all over the world. Let's catch another fish. The graphics are so realistic. I have them on max. It seems like nothing's biting over here. Maybe we should move to a different place. The map is huge. You can also put down a tent, but you can't do anything with it. It's great. It looks like this map is based somewhere in France. And here's all the different fish that are in this pond.
Hello.
Hello.
Here you can see another one of the bugs in this game. I played a couple weeks ago and I noticed one of the trees was just completely floating in the air. It wasn't even rooted to the ground. I have to say, this game is definitely worth a download if you're trying to laugh. There is a competitive mode to this game, however, but I don't think it's included with the free version. In fact, I don't think much is included with the free version, but it's definitely worth the laugh. Here's another player. You can talk to people too. Let's see if he responds while we catch another fish. It's really fun. I'd say this is almost as fun as fishing in real life. Not quite though. There we go. We got one. Reel it in. What'd we get this time? Another big one. Wow. 0.33 kilogram. It's a little smaller. You're supposed to be able to pull a net out and keep it. But that doesn't seem to work, so I'll let him go. Oh look, Here's that tree I was talking about.
Shit, this guy caught a big fish.
My friend found an exploit in this game. We should try it now. By the way, I've noticed the rod is freakishly long. Here's the exploit now. Go ahead, Aaron. Show us the exploit.
Sure.
That was really bizarre, don't you think? Let's see that again, one more time. Wow, he got really far out there this time. To conclude, all in all, this game is a solid 9 out of 10. You should definitely download and play today. Professional fishing.